Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Ortiz, and Mrs. Anderson and I were talking today, and we thought maybe it'd be a good idea if we sent out a little activity on writing our names. Now, if you've mastered writing your first name, the next step of writing your name is learning how to write your last name. So, if you're good at writing your first name, remember to leave a space, and that can be a finger, in between the two words, your first and your last name, or two fingers in between your first and your last name, and then writing your last name. So, again, if you do this activity at home, use your journal or the blank sheets of paper that we've given you to go ahead and write it down and send it in for us to see when you come back next week. Or moms, dads, grandmas, and grandpas, you can send us a photo of your youngster writing and practicing their name. All right? So I'm just real quickly using the Handwriting Without Tears sheet and my name, Mr. Ortiz. I'm going to show you how we use this sheet to write our names. So my name is Mr. Ortiz, and it starts with the letter M. So if I find M on here, it's telling me I've got to go down. Then I hop back up like a frog, and I keep my marker down now for the rest of the letter M. Down diagonally, up diagonally, and straight back down. There's my letter M. If I look, my next letter is R. And if I look here, R says to go down, hop back up like a frog, and then I'm going to make a little curve to the middle and a diagonal line down to the bottom again. Okay, Mr. And then my last name is Ortiz, and it starts with the letter O. I look here, couple fingers in between, O. And then another R, and remember that's just a big line down, a little curve to the middle of that big line, and a little diagonal line, R. T is very simple, it's a big line down from the top to the bottom of the road. Remember, always start your letters at the top, and then a little line across there. O-R-T, the next letter is an I. That's pretty easy. That's a big line down like T. Hop back up, put a little line at the top and a little line at the bottom. And then our letter Z, which is the last letter in my name, is a simple across the top, down diagonally like I'm making a number 7, and then across the bottom. And there you have it. That's my name written using our Handwriting Without Tears letter formation sheet. So Mr. space Ortiz. So what Mrs. Anderson and I and Mrs. Bowman and Miss Robbins would like for all of you to do is practice writing your names as well, so when you come back, you're even better at doing it. And if you know how to do your first name, practice writing your last name. All right? Thanks, boys and girls.